Okay. Hindi pa ako naka-video.
Today,
Ready?
we're
Go!
gonna take the 8 planets and the sun too.
Okay, you tell sister
Sit
which planet
down,
Earth is the sun
Daddy.
first?
The sun first.
Okay.
Oh, what is that?
You know, the sun is the biggest star.
Louder your voice.
Louder your voice.
The sun is the biggest star in the solar system. The sun looks bigger from the Earth,
Yeah.
but remember, the sun is not the biggest star.
Is that the biggest star?
No, that's sun is 60 years old.
Okay.
The sun is really smarter. Never
Okay, it's made of
made of.
what?
It's made of hydrogen. And the sun is the center of the solar system.
Okay.
Center of solar system.
Okay.
You're so fast. Slower your,
Let's go to Mercury next.
Say we.
We are on the white hole. Oh, there's the
Oh.
first planet and the fourth planet to ascend.
Slowly, please talk slowly.
What is that, Jake?
There's Mercury, the fourth planet to ascend.
The closest planet to sun?
Yeah, Mercury move. Inside him,
Jake, louder your voice.
Mercury don't have a moon.
Mercury don't have a moon.
Yeah, and Mercury's a little bit small of the moon.
Okay. How is it the fastest rotating planet?
That's
How many days it rotate to the sun?
88 days. That's the fastest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
And Mercury has craters too,
Like the moon.
like the moon. And the craters are also made of rock too. And that's a tiny, tiny, tiny rock.
Okay.
And that. And no, it's the green of fastest. Consider the next planet. Back to the week.
What is that?
That's Venus.
Louder.
That's Venus.
Oh.
It is Saturn. Biggest north. The hottest planet.
What is Venus?
The brightest.
The brightest one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
It's called.
it's called the Queen of White.
Queen of
White.
bright.
Okay. It's also called Earth's.
Earth. Venus is also called Earth twin.
Yep. Because of the size,
Because of the size,
mass,
mass,
and.
and
Wait.
what do you say? Wait.
Wait. Say wait.
Wait.
Okay.
Its Venus have a gravity.
Yes.
Okay.
Yo, it's kind of hot here. Let's get out of here and to go to the third planet.
Say we.
Whee! Whee!
Bana. Bana. Wait. Okay.
This is our rocket ship, guys. Oh, this is Earth. Hey, let me see the water night. Hey, there's a rocket ship over there. That's right. Our rocket is over there and blast off. Let's get down with us.
I can see you guys.
Earth is what?
I can see you guys. And there's the rocket ship blast it. And then this is an Earth of
We live on Earth. We live on Earth.
and Earth is yeah.
Uh,
And
Earth is the only living planet.
Earth is only living planet. And Earth is only has one moon.
one moon.
Give me the volcano.
How many days rotate the Earth to the sun in 1 year?
Of 65.
Three.
How many days?
365
365. That's Earth.
Okay.
And this galaxy.
More
lots of
rocket
two.
ships. Okay.
Let's go down.
Is the Earth have a gravity?
Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up? Let's go to the third, fourth planet. Oh. The red planet called Mars.
What?
And Mars also has volcanoes.
What's Mars' largest volcano called?
Mars has volcanoes called in the also highest mountains.
What is it called?
The red planet.
Okay. What's the highest mountain's name?
I don't know about that.
Okay, it's okay.
Uh-oh,
Mars.
the volcanoes, but no, Mars is a wet planet
And it's super dry.
and it's super dry,
Smaller than Earth.
smaller from Earth, and a little smaller from Mercury.
No,
What?
Mercury is the smallest, silly.
Oh.
Oh, you'll do it by yourself. We can do it.
Next
Uh-oh.
na, next.
This volcano is about to explode. Let's get out of here. Zoom. You be out of Mars. Whoa. That's the biggest planet.
What?
Here's
What is that?
Jupiter.
What?
Jupiter
What is Jupiter?
has a big red spot on it.
Is a?
Big red spot.
And it has lots of liquids.
What's the big red spot? It's a
Raging storm.
yeah. What's a raging storm?
Well, I don't know about that.
Okay. What's bigger, the raging storm or Earth?
Raging storm.
Wow. How many Earths can fit in Jupiter?
100 Earth.
Yeah. But there's more Earths that can fit there.
What?
Yep. But if Jupiter was 80 times bigger, it could have been a star.
Actually, this Jupiter is not whitey. Let's go to the next planet. We have points in there. Sure, follow that. Let's do Wait.
What is that?
Is Saturn. Saturn swings up. This ice jumps.
Ice what?
Dust, ice, and rocks there.
Gilid-gilid ka, Jake.
The rocket go around Saturn's wings like this. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
The
Saturn is the
Saturn's 6 planet from the sun.
sixth planet from the
Second
sun.
largest. Saturn is also the second largest, just like Jupiter.
yeah.
And it's have beautiful wings.
Beautiful rings.
Yeah, and its wings is they're like this.
Sit down, Jake, Jake.
They're like that.
Next one na.
Next planet is been sideways. Oh. See down, look.
What is that?
Go down.
Venus.
What is that, Jake?
Venus been sideways. Like this.
Anong planet yan?
Uranus.
Okay, dito ka na.
Venus been sideways. And it is. That was stinky.
It's stinky.
Yeah, it is just like 48 and 7, 18 storms.
Okay.
18 star?
Yeah, and that's same thing like 8 and 4 is planet.
Rotten and a rotten egg.
Mm,
Okay. It's made of
Hot,
made of what, Jake?
Venus, egg, and
the atmosphere.
atmosphere. 17 in this planet. Neptune. Neptune.
Okay.
What is that, Jake Arthur?
This is not Venus. This is Neptune. And see that's
Neptune is
this one is
What?
Mars.
from the sun.
The
The farthest planet in the sun. And the eighth
Okay.
planet.
It's the
is
farthest
yeah.
planet.
And to the
Okay.
Milky Way Galaxy. Milky Way Galaxy.
what?
Milky Way Galaxy.
We don't have a Milky Way galaxy.
Baby,
It's time for the 8 planet song.
someday
Okay na.
Dun, 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 dun,
You sing the 8 planet song.
dun.
3, 2, 1, go.
To fast planet. Milky Way fast, fast. Come on.
You keep
Eight
singing.
planet.
Milky Way the
You sing.
fast,
Mercury.
Louder.
fast. Milky Way the fastest planet. The fastest planet in the solar system. Oh yeah. And then the way to man we are Milky Way. We are Milky Way. So we'll go fast, fast, fast.
Okay, that's enough.